I hope I can fucking sleep on this bag now. Alright, good morning. It's 5:10 p.m. Namaste. Namaskar. We are on the road to Anini. I got a little heavier side of luggage, but I think it should be fine. Try reaching Roing before 9. Alright, let's keep going. Let's do this. I'm trying to get the new angle today. Hope it's not too hot, cause I'm always sweating inside. I might have worn these, what are these called? The inner liners, and they're freaking hot, dude. So yeah, this whole week is clear skies, so I'm hoping everything is okay. There's no rain, and I don't have to get my liners out. So rest, it's a pleasant morning. Feels like maybe 24, 23. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's perfect. I mean, I prefer it to be a little colder, but yeah. I refueled for half a tank. I filled with $600 already. So 600, yeah, 600 is like what's six liters almost. So let's see where it takes me. I should reach Rowing with it easily, and then I'll fill the tank completely there because it's a little cheaper than a nacho. I'll try picking up speed here. This stretch should be easy peasy. Oh, I don't like that fuel economy. It's running a richer map, and it might be taking in a lot more petrol than I expected. Here we go. We reached the landing strip right here. Oh, damn doggy. Apparently the speed limit is 60 down here. Alright, let's get down to 60. There we go. 60 is a little too slow for me, but I guess rules. I'll get the tank bag a little behind more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright. It says I'm gonna reach Anini by 3:17 if I don't take any breaks, that is, obviously. Obviously, I gotta take a lot of breaks. I mean, it would be awesome to have an adventure bike, but there's something challenging about taking it on a R15, the version 1, which was the best vehicle when it came out. I mean, not the best, I should say, but at least the most wanted vehicle. Obviously, now there's better vehicles and a lot more faster vehicles. But back then, even though this wasn't that fast compared to some other, I think the Ninja 250 was around back then, and that was quite expensive, to be honest. I think it was close to 3 lakhs. So this was the best economical bike back then. And it's still pretty good for the tracks, I should say. A lot of people use it for the tracks. This road is amazing, I like it. It's so good. I'm too lazy to update my status right now, like update that I'm out, because it's all strapped in with the RAM mount, and I don't like the RAM mount right now because there's better quad lock and all that, which is much easier to, remove it out and put it back in, and it's so much more safer. This one, I still have good rubber, I mean whatever this is called, which holds it. So far it's good, but it takes time to put it on and, take it out. It's not convenient, I should say. I don't know how the mic sounds because I have my visor open. It was getting really hot when I didn't move. Like, when I stayed home, it felt like I was cooking out from the inside. I hope I'm okay all over there, because getting those liners out is not easy. There's something about solo rides which is so chill, I think. I haven't done a solo ride for a long time. Back when I was in Bangalore, I used to go for rides with friends, and also I was part of 2 riding clubs, YRC and what was the other name? CB, I think. No, Bangalore Riding Club, I think. I totally forgot the other one, damn. Alright, I'm sorry if you guys watch it. But I really appreciate those 2 groups because they taught me how to go for long rides. I had a few hiccups there. I think there were 2 times when I almost crashed and died. But yeah, there's a learning curve. This toll gate's coming up pretty soon. I hope the weather isn't that hot where, riding will be really bad. So far, so good. Let's go, baby. Anini, here I come. It's gonna be a long ass ride. Making sure my body is moving around. Always make sure your body isn't still. What the hell is that smell? It smells like poop around here. I think the drainage, there's a problem here with the drainage. Ah, that smells so bad. That just hit my face. Hope the suspension copes up with the weight I'm carrying right now. I'm carrying a lot of weight. Whew, it's bumpy. It's almost been like 6, 7 years I've been on a long ride on this bike. So it brings back memories when I went out long rides on it. It's not the easiest, of course. It's not like an adventure bike where you can just chill, but it's got its fair share of enjoyment. Oh no, no, not this problem again. Oh, was I holding the clutch? What happened there? Oh, I don't like this. But the bike is doing good. No! Why, God? Why are you giving me this punishment? With the injectors? No. I think something is wrong. Not sure if I should just head back or. Fuck. There's something wrong still with it. Might be the injectors. Not sure. Might have to Turn around and head back. God damn it. What happened? About certain RPM, it just dies. Needs the ethanol. Oh man. And mechanics open right now, I think. Oh, দাদা ইয়াত মেকানিক শ্বপ কিমান দূৰত থাকিব आइडिया नहीं है ना अच्छा ठीक है No, I mean, it's good it broke down here. Let's get to a shady place. God damn it, dude. Why this problem? I think it's the ethanol. It's just still there in the injectors. Shouldn't have been a problem. It was taking a lot of fuel. This doesn't look good. I'm gonna have to turn around. I think the injectors are all clogged up or something. Go to mechanic na yat. কিবা গাড়ী এটা আছে নেকি ক'ৰবাত লৈ যাবলে বাইকখন এই ডিব্ৰুগড়ৰ ওচৰতে মই লোকেশ্যনটো পঠাই দিলে আহিব পাৰিব নেকি কোনোবা তো এচি গাড়ীখন ডিব্ৰুগড়ৰ ওচৰত আছে মানে ডিব্ৰুগড়ৰ ওচৰত ইমান দূৰ নহয়